All right, we're gonna do a cold start test on the truck, see what it's doing. Yesterday we had a pretty good start. Like I said, pumping it 4 or 5 times. You know, 1 or 2 is usually good for a 2 barrel, maybe the 4 barrels. The 2 barrels, I tend to add a little more gas to get them cranking. Ignition on, cranking on it. All right, good idle. Let's see what it does. Like I said, I wouldn't touch anything. I just let it at 1100 RPM. Where it is right now is good enough to get it warmed up. Just let it run for a couple of minutes and then pop the gas pedal and you should be good to go down the road. So I think we have a good cold start. This is the second one for the week. I'll do it again on Wednesday morning or later on this afternoon when it cools off again, see how it does. Sounds pretty normal, just like most Chevy engines. When you start them up, they're a little rough until they get warmed up, then they smooth out. But I'm okay with the RPMs and the start right now. It's starting right up now that the choke is adjusted correctly. But your temperature is cold. So like I said, just let it warm up, and then just like I did, pop the gas pedal and the RPM will drop down. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Thanks for watching.